Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Expense Management. Revolut is a popular digital banking app that offers a range of tools to help you manage your finances, including expense tracking and budgeting. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of using Revolut to manage your expenses. First, you need to download and install the Revolut app on your smartphone. Once you have installed the app, you need to create an account and add your payment details. Revolut offers a range of account types, including personal and business accounts, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you have set up your account, you can start tracking your expenses. To do this, go to the dashboard and click on the Expenses tab. Here, you can view a list of all your recent transactions, including purchases, withdrawals, and transfers. You can also categorize your expenses by type, such as food, transport, or entertainment, to help you understand where your money is going. One of the key features of Revolut is its automated expense categorization. The app uses machine learning algorithms to automatically categorize your transactions, making it easy to track your spending. You can also add custom categories and tags to your transactions to make them more specific. Another useful feature of Revolut is its budgeting tool. This allows you to set a budget for each category of expense and receive alerts when you go over budget. You can also set financial goals, such as saving for a holiday or paying off debt, and track your progress. To get the most out of Revolut, it is essential to keep your account up to date. Make sure you regularly check your transactions and categorize any that are not automatically categorized. You should also regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. In addition to its expense tracking and budgeting tools, Revolut also offers a range of other features to help you manage your finances. These include real-time exchange rates, fee-free foreign transactions, and a range of insurance and investment products. By following these steps and using the tools and features offered by Revolut, you can take control of your finances and start managing your expenses effectively. Remember to regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. And do not be afraid to explore the range of other features and tools that Revolut has to offer. With Revolut, you can simplify your finances and achieve your financial goals.